Hi there! In our previous video, we showed you how to create custom actions in Forest Admin to run any business domain specific logic that you might have. This time, we're going to take a look at a feature we call Smart Relationships. Suppose that you have a Rails application with associations that are declared between your different active record models. Smart Relationships in Forest Admin help you create virtual associations between these models that are neither present in the model's definitions nor reflected in your database. In short, Smart Relationships allow you to customize how your collections are linked to each other through code and strictly within Forest Admin's user interface. This feature can be handy if you want to create shortcuts between collections. To demonstrate what this means, let's start with a quick overview of our existing associations in this demo. A product has many orders, and an order belongs to customer. What we'll try to achieve is the following: linking a product to customers using a has many smart relationship that we'll simply call buyers. Let's get started. In order to create a smart relationship, you will first need to declare it in your code for a specific collection. Here, we declare the buyer smart relationship in the products collection. After declaring it, our smart relationship will appear in the related data section of our product's details view. Bear in mind, the logic is not implemented yet, so let's move on and code it in the orders controller. We'll be building the right query using active record to count and find all customers who bought the current product. Next, we should handle pagination. The API call has a query string available which gives us all the necessary parameters we need to enable pagination, offset, and limit. We don't have to serialize the data either. The Forest Liana has a helper method, serialize_models, and it takes the collection's name as an argument. The last thing we need to do is configure a router to hit this controller method. Now we can go to any record in our products collection and view its buyers. Voila, we're done. In this tutorial, we covered the has many variation of our smart relationships only. If you want to learn more about other types of smart relationships you can use, head on over to our documentation at docs.forestadmin.com, and don't forget to follow us on socials as well. See you next time.